Alrighty guys, so we are out trying for some speckled trout today. We are using Mr. Panther Martin, as you can see. We're gonna see if that does the trick. So yeah, let's get at her guys and see if we can get some speckies.
Guys, so we made it to the spot. On the other side, when we get over there, audio is not quite as good, so it's gonna be very loud, the water. So I figure I'll get what I can here. See if I can get anything down in here or not. You never know. Sometimes they sit in here. It's always worth a try. You never know, right? Alrighty guys, so we are at the other spot. The audio gets kind of crappy, I apologize. We got very fast water. It's pretty much a spillway. But a beautiful spillway. Absolutely perfect. Hard to get a good cast in here though, unfortunately. So just do the best you can, I guess. And hope for the best. Guys, a little speck. I think this is a little speck. Yep. Looks like a little speck to me. Yep, it is. Wet my hands. There we go. About time, guys. Barely even hooked. That's awesome. Yeah, a little specky. Take a quick little pick. Absolutely awesome. And now we'll get the release, guys. There he goes. Beautiful. Swim back out to the hole. I love speckies. I absolutely love speckies. Alrighty, guys. We just got another little brookie. Beautiful brookie, guys. Beautiful, beautiful brookie. Barely hooked. Nice. I like when that happens. Beautiful, beautiful brookie, guys. Absolutely beautiful specimen. Always important to wet your hand before. That's exactly what I did, so. Okay, and time for the release. There he goes. He's gone. That was beautiful. That was a beautiful brookie, guys. Perfect. And I already tried this spot like 2 or 3 times, so it's worth coming back down to. Let's see if there's another one holding up in there. It's a perfect little pool. Perfect little pool. Hard to cast into. There's something, guys. I don't know what it is yet. But to find out here. Looks like a little brown. Yeah, brown. A little brown. Not too bad. Not too bad at all. There. A little brown, not too bad at all. Really hoping for a nice little specky, but you deal with what you get, fortunately. Well, not unfortunately, but it's fun to catch browns too. All that's sitting in that pool. Well, let's see if anything comes out of here, guys. Looks like a good spot, but no way of telling until you actually try it out. Oh, yeah, we got something, guys. Got something right away. Oh, nice specky, guys. Nice specky. This guy will probably keep. Nice specky, guys. There we go. This guy will likely keep. Definitely got to get a picture of him first, though. Oh. Well, he's gone, guys. He got away before I could get a really good picture of him, but man, that was a nice trout. I was gonna keep that guy, but well, I got a good picture of him. Awesome, guys. Oh well, he's back in here for another day. That's awesome. I'm not sure if I got good footage of him on the GoPro or not. I apologize if I didn't, guys, but I was fishing for you. That was a nice brook trout, though. He'll be in here for another day. Slippery bugger got away on me. Well, let's get to another pool. Well, guys, that wasn't a bad day of specky fishing. Unfortunately, it started to rain pretty good, so it was time to pack up and head home. So yeah, until next time, please like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget, keep having that spin spun fishing fun.